Having the right vlogging camera can completely change your vlog's quality. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best vlogging cameras so you'll never have to suffer through shaky or out of focus footage again. Now the only issue is that a camera might work great for one person but might not be the best for you because most cameras are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect vlogging camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Sony ZV-E10. My choice for the best of vlogging camera. For most people, the Sony ZV-E10 has an excellent combination of high-quality features, making it a terrific choice for vlogging. It has an APS-C sensor that produces stunning image quality, and with 24.2 megapixels and ISO range of 100 to 32,000, it's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade from a smartphone. The ZV-E10 shoots 4K high dynamic range video at 30 frames per second, so it captures truly beautiful colors and details its image. Stabilization system can shoot the smooth, clean video footage that is important for vlogging. One of the standout features of the ZV-E10 is the fast Sony hybrid autofocus system, making it really easy for you to capture those perfect moments. Now it also has a background defocus button which instantly toggles between defocus effects being on and off, allowing you ultimate flexibility. The ZV-E10 has a user-friendly interface and a flip-out variable angle screen that lets you easily frame your shots. Its built-in directional microphone is a game-changer for vloggers and anyone looking to capture great audio, and it includes a noise reduction feature that helps ensure your audio is always crisp and clear. This camera travels really well. It weighs just under 13 ounces and has a durable build, so you can easily hit the road to shoot your vlog with no worries. Now it also has a very handy dedicated button for switching to video mode. The ZV-E10 is also incredibly versatile. It provides S-Log 325 support for creative-looking color tones, so you can experiment and get really creative with your videos. And it has a variety of shooting modes, which means that you can take full control of your images and get the exact shot that you want. Another advantage of the Sony ZV-E10 is the opportunity to interchange with any of the lineup of high-quality Sony lenses to further improve your vlog quality. All in all, the Sony ZV-E10 is a really versatile high-quality camera for vlogging and would make a great choice for most people. It shoots 4K video, has excellent autofocus and color, and is easy to use. Next on my list is the Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 was designed for creators, vloggers, and streamers, so it is a great all-around package focused on the features that you need. It has a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for those who are always on the go, whether you're traveling or just filming around town. The Z30 is easy to carry with you and won't weigh you down. It has a flip-out touchscreen selfie monitor that makes it super easy to frame your shots and adjust your settings. This is a huge plus for vloggers who need to be able to see themselves on camera while they're filming. The screen is also bright and clear, so you can see what you're filming even in bright sunlight. Now in terms of video quality, the Z30 shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second or Full HD at 60 frames per second. The footage looks sharp and detailed, and the colors are vibrant and true to life. The camera also has built-in image stabilization, which helps to smooth out any camera shake or jitters while you're filming. Plus it comes with a versatile 16 to 55mm wide-angle zoom lens. And another great feature of the Z30 is its impressive autofocus system that features eye tracking for people and pets. The camera has 209 autofocus points that cover almost the entire frame, which means you can stay in focus no matter where you move in the frame. The Z30 has a range of other features that make it a great camera for vlogging, including built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which allow you to easily transfer your footage to your phone or laptop. It also has a built-in stereo microphone with adjustable sensitivity, a red record light, and a smartphone app for controlling the camera remotely. The Nikon Z30 is a fantastic choice for vloggers who are looking for a high-quality camera with a group of features focused on their needs. It has a terrific autofocus system, built-in stabilization, a flip-out touchscreen, and a compact light body for easy travel. Next on my list is The Sony ZV-1, my choice for the best compact vlogging camera. The ZV-1 is compact enough to fit in your pocket and weighs just over 10 ounces, so it's the perfect camera for vlogging on the go. It has a comfortable grip and a 3-inch flip-out screen that tilts up and down, making it easier to compose the selfie focus. The ZV-1 is packed with features that make it a great choice for vlogging. For starters, it has 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures incredible detail and produces stunning image quality. It shoots 4K high dynamic range footage and features, and has great image stabilization, so you can achieve smooth and fluid footage. And with its fast autofocus system, you'll never miss a shot. Its hybrid system allows you to shift focus from a face to the background with a simple touch of the screen. It also has real-time eye autofocus, so it keeps the focus on your face and eyes. Plus, it features optimized color with enhanced skin tone reproduction, so everyone looks natural. Another feature that vloggers will appreciate is the ZV-1's forward directional built-in microphone. This mic is designed to capture your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Plus, there's a detachable windscreen included to further improve audio quality in windy conditions, and a MI shoe and mic jack for more audio options. Finally, the ZV-1 has a host of other features that vloggers will love. For example, there's a one-touch bokeh button that instantly adds beautiful background blur to your shots, and there's a product showcase setting that automatically switches focus to an object when you hold it up to the camera. The Sony ZV-1 is the best super compact vlogging camera on the market. In addition to its design, it has incredible image quality, great autofocus, and a host of other vlogger-friendly features. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. The prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the Panasonic Lumix GH6, my choice for the best professional vlogging camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a premium vlogging camera for those pro vlog creators who want the best of the best. It features outstanding resolution driven by its 25 megapixel sensor for incredible sharpness and detail. The camera features 5.7K video recording capabilities at 60 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second and 10-bit video, giving more than 1 billion colors. Its Venus engine enables high-speed processing on the high pixel counts and high-resolution high-bit rate video. 3D noise reduction technology provides natural images with minimal noise even at high sensitivity. The GH6 delivers unlimited internal recording when used at recommended temperatures, thanks to the optimal heat dissipation structure that makes the camera ideal for small production teams where mobility and high quality are required, along with simultaneous internal recording and external recording via HDMI output. Another great feature of the Lumix GH6 is its robust 5-axis dual image stabilization system. It uses a combination of in-body and in-lens stabilization to take your shots steady even if you're walking or moving around. Now this means that you can get smooth and stable footage without having to use a gimbal or other stabilizing equipment. The GH6 features a tilt and free angle rear monitor. It can be rotated even with an HDMI or USB attached to the camera. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the Lumix GH6 is its versatility. It's a camera that's designed for both photography and videography, which means you can use it in all kinds of different projects. Whether you're vlogging, shooting a short film, or taking still photos, the Lumix GH6 has you covered. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix G6 is the best professional vlogging camera. It creates outstanding visual quality, has leading image stabilization features and high-speed processing, plus a variety of other features that will more than satisfy pro vloggers. And last on my list is the Canon M50 Mark II, my choice for the best vlogging camera. For the money, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a great option for those who are just starting out with vlogging and looking for a camera that offers a lot of features for its price. It boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and the power of the Digic 8 image processor with auto lighting optimizer. It can shoot Ultra HD 4K video at 24 frames per second as well as Full HD video at 120 frames per second, so you'll have clear and crisp footage with great slow-motion dual-pixel autofocus. Provides fast, accurate shooting as it happens, and the eye detection autofocus features give even more precision on subjects. And the M50 Mark II's in-body image stabilization is another great feature that helps to reduce cameras shake and produce smooth and stable footage. The compact and lightweight design of the camera makes it easy to travel with. And its 3-inch variable angle touchscreen LCD is really convenient for vlogging and for composing shots and sequences. Additionally, the user-friendly interface is intuitive and easy for beginners to navigate and learn how to use. The M50 Mark II has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect to smartphones or tablets and easily share your work via the Canon Connect app with a remote control, which is sold separately. You can even control the camera remotely, which is great for vlogging. Plus, you can pair the Mark II with the free EOS webcam utility app to give you a high-quality alternative to your webcam whenever you need it. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is the best vlogging camera for your money on the market right now. It combines a fast autofocus system in body image stabilization, a compact light body, and 3-inch touchscreen LCD, making it an awesome overall vlogging package. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.